Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Today, we're addressing a common concern among car owners: can you prevent car depreciation? We'll delve into this topic to help you make informed decisions when it comes to preserving the value of your vehicle. Are you tired of your car losing its value over time? Car depreciation is a major concern for many car owners. It's frustrating to watch your investment diminish in worth. But here's the good news: there are steps you can take to minimize the impact of depreciation on your vehicle. In this video, we will explore practical strategies and expert tips to help you avoid car depreciation and preserve the value of your prized possession. Discover how you can protect your investment and make the most of your car's lifespan. Let's dive in. Understanding car depreciation. Car depreciation is an important concept to understand when it comes to owning and selling a vehicle. In this section, we will explore what car depreciation is, the factors that affect it, and the typical rates at which cars depreciate over time. What is car depreciation? Car depreciation refers to the decrease in value that occurs as a vehicle ages and accumulates mileage. It is a natural and inevitable process that affects all cars, regardless of their make, model, or condition. From the moment you drive a new car off the lot, it begins to depreciate in value. Factors affecting car depreciation. Several factors influence the rate at which a car depreciates. Here are some key factors to consider. Age and mileage. As a car gets older and accumulates more miles, its value typically decreases. The older a car is, the less desirable it becomes to potential buyers. Make and model. Different car makes and models have varying levels of depreciation. Some brands are known for their strong resale value, while others may depreciate more rapidly. Condition and maintenance. Cars in good condition and with regular maintenance tend to retain their value better. On the other hand, neglecting maintenance or having visible wear and tear can significantly impact a car's resale value. Market demand. Market demand plays a crucial role in car depreciation. If a particular make or model is in high demand, its resale value may remain relatively stable or even increase. Conversely, if there is low demand, the depreciation rate may be higher. Upgrades and features. Cars with desirable upgrades and features, such as advanced safety systems or infotainment technology, may depreciate at a slower rate than those without such enhancements. Typical car depreciation rates. While car depreciation rates can vary depending on the factors mentioned above, there are some general guidelines to consider. On average, cars tend to experience the steepest depreciation within the first few years of ownership, typically losing around 20–30% of their value during this period. After that, the rate of depreciation tends to slow down. As a rough estimate, it is common to assume that a car will lose around 50% of its initial value over the first 5 years of ownership. However, it's important to note that individual car depreciation rates can differ significantly depending on the specific circumstances, including the make, model, condition, and market demand. Understanding car depreciation can help you make informed decisions when buying or selling a vehicle. By considering the factors that affect depreciation and being mindful of typical depreciation rates, you can better navigate the car market and manage your car's value over time. Ways to minimize car depreciation. Car depreciation is inevitable, but there are several strategies you can employ to minimize its impact on your vehicle's value. By being proactive and making smart choices, you can help preserve your car's worth over time. In this section, we will explore some effective ways to minimize car depreciation. Choosing the right car. One of the key factors influencing car depreciation is the make and model of the vehicle itself. Certain cars tend to hold their value better than others, so it's essential to choose wisely when purchasing a new or used car. Opt for popular brands known for their durability and reliability. Additionally, consider factors such as the car's age, mileage, maintenance history, and market demand. Thoroughly researching and comparing different models can help you make an informed decision that minimizes depreciation. Regular maintenance and servicing. Regular maintenance and servicing are crucial for preserving your car's value. By adhering to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, you can prevent potential issues from arising and keep your vehicle in optimal condition. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, and other routine maintenance tasks not only ensure the longevity of your car but also contribute to maintaining its resale value. Keep detailed records of all maintenance activities to provide potential buyers with proof of your vehicle's care. Avoiding excessive mileage. Mileage plays a significant role in car depreciation. The more miles a car has, the lower its market value tends to be. To minimize depreciation, try to limit excessive mileage by being mindful of your driving habits. Consider carpooling, using public transportation, or walking for shorter commutes whenever possible. If you own multiple vehicles, strategically distribute your mileage across them to evenly spread the wear and tear. When selling your car, lower mileage can make it more appealing to buyers, potentially increasing its resale value. Keeping the car clean and well maintained. Maintaining a clean and well-presented car can significantly impact its value. Regularly washing, waxing, and detailing your vehicle not only enhances its appearance but also protects its paint and exterior from damage caused by dirt, debris, and harsh weather conditions. Additionally, taking care of the interior by cleaning upholstery, vacuuming, and addressing any stains or odors can make a positive impression on potential buyers. A well-maintained and aesthetically pleasing car is more likely to fetch a higher price when it comes time to sell. Avoiding modifications and customizations while personalizing your car may be tempting. It's important to consider the impact it can have on depreciation. Modifications and customizations, such as aftermarket parts, flashy accessories, or dramatic paint jobs, may limit your potential buyer pool and lower your car's value. Many buyers prefer cars in their original, unaltered condition. If you do decide to make modifications, opt for those that are reversible, subtle, and appeal to a broader audience. By avoiding extreme or irreversible changes, you can help minimize depreciation and attract a wider range of potential buyers. By following these strategies and making smart choices throughout your car ownership journey, you can significantly reduce the impact of car depreciation. From selecting the right vehicle to maintaining it properly and avoiding excessive modifications, each step plays a vital role in preserving your car's value over time. Remember, minimizing depreciation not only benefits your financial investment but also ensures a smoother selling process when the time comes to upgrade or change your vehicle. Strategies to preserve car value. When it comes to preserving the value of your car, there are several key strategies you can implement. By following these practices, you can help mitigate car depreciation and maintain a higher resale value in the long run. Let's explore some effective strategies to preserve the value of your car. Keeping detailed service records. One of the best ways to demonstrate that your car has been well maintained is by keeping detailed service records. This includes documenting all regular maintenance such as oil changes, tire rotations, filter replacements, and any repairs or upgrades performed. When it comes time to sell your car, potential buyers will be reassured by the documented record of diligent upkeep, resulting in a higher perceived value. Regular inspections and repairs. Regular inspections and repairs are crucial to preserving the value of your car. By addressing any issues promptly, you can prevent them from escalating and causing further damage. Routine inspections can help identify problems early on, allowing you to take corrective action before they become more expensive to fix. Regular repairs not only ensure the proper functioning of your vehicle but also help maintain its overall condition, thereby retaining its value. Proper storage and parking. Proper storage and parking play a significant role in preserving your car's value. Parking your vehicle in a garage or covered area shields it from the harmful effects of sun, rain, snow, and other weather conditions. Exposure to these elements over time can lead to paint fading, rust formation, and interior damage. By providing your car with a suitable storage environment, you can protect its appearance and maintain its value. Opting for extended warranties. Investing in extended warranties is a smart move to preserve your car's value. Extended warranties provide additional coverage beyond the standard manufacturer warranty, safeguarding against unexpected repairs and expenses. Having a transferable extended warranty can be particularly beneficial during resale, as it offers potential buyers added peace of mind knowing that the vehicle is protected against major repairs. Implementing these strategies can have a significant impact on preserving the value of your car. By keeping detailed service records, conducting regular inspections and repairs, ensuring proper storage and parking, and opting for extended warranties, you can enhance your car's appeal and maintain its value over time. Selling your car to maximize value. When it comes to car depreciation, one effective way to mitigate the loss in value is by selling your car at the right time and getting the best possible price for it. In this section, we will explore some strategies to help you sell your car while maximizing its value. By timing the sale right, presenting the car in its best condition, pricing it competitively, and considering trade-in options, you can make a significant impact on your car's resale value. Timing the sale right. Timing is crucial when it comes to selling your car. The market conditions can greatly affect the demand for certain types of vehicles and ultimately the price you can command. Consider the following factors when determining the best time to sell your car. Seasonality. Certain types of cars, like convertibles, tend to sell better during warmer months, while SUVs may be in higher demand during winter. Mileage. Selling your car before it reaches a significant mileage milestone can increase its appeal and value. New models. Selling your car before a new model is released may help you avoid the depreciation that often comes with the launch of updated versions. Presenting the car in its best condition. First impressions matter, and when it comes to selling your car, presentation can make a big difference. Invest some time and effort into preparing your car for sale to maximize its value. Cleanliness. Give your car a thorough cleaning, both inside and out. A clean and well-maintained car is more likely to attract potential buyers. Repairs and maintenance. Address any mechanical issues and complete any necessary repairs. Providing a detailed maintenance history can also instill confidence in potential buyers. Detailing. Consider getting your car professionally detailed to enhance its appearance and make it look like new. Pricing the car competitively. Pricing your car competitively is crucial to attract potential buyers and maximize its value. Here are some tips to help you determine the right price. Research the market. Explore similar car listings to get an idea of what similar models are selling for in your area. Online car classifieds and dealership websites are excellent resources for this information. Consider condition and mileage. Adjust your price based on the car's condition and mileage. Cars in better condition and with lower mileage tend to command higher prices. Be realistic. While you may have an emotional attachment to your car, it's important to set a realistic price that reflects its market value. Considering trade-in options. In addition to selling your car privately, you may also want to consider trade-in options. Dealerships often offer trade-in services, which can be convenient and save you time. However, keep in mind that trade-in values are typically lower compared to selling privately. Consider the pros and cons and assess which option suits your needs best. Selling your car to maximize its value requires careful planning and execution. By timing the sale right, presenting your car in its best condition, pricing it competitively, and considering trade-in options, you can optimize your chances of getting the best possible return on your investment. In conclusion, while it may not be possible to completely avoid car depreciation, there are steps that you can take to minimize its impact on your vehicle's value. Regular maintenance, careful driving habits, and keeping your car clean and well-maintained can help slow down the depreciation process. Additionally, choosing a car with a good track record for retaining value and considering factors such as market demand and popular features can also have a positive impact on your car's depreciation rate. Remember, every car will experience some level of depreciation over time, but by being proactive, you can make a difference in preserving its value for as long as possible. That concludes our discussion on whether you can prevent car depreciation. We hope you've gained valuable insights that will assist you in maintaining the value of your vehicle. If you found this video informative, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Until next time, happy driving. Thank you for watching.